Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML form elements. And right now we'll be discussing about the HTML form size of this text area element using CSS. You can also define the size of the text area by using CSS. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Let's get back to our document right here. We're having this, our simple text area, and we're having this. So quickly, let's enclose this with our form. Because we are still on form, we are still talking about form. So quickly let's place this inside our form. So instead of using these rows and quotes right here, we want to change it. We want to use, let me give this a gap so you can see what I'm doing clearly. I'm just using our text area, so we can style it with using our width and height. We need width of let's say we need width of 200 pixels, and I need height of 10 pixels. 10 pixels. Let me just save it like that and reload our document. Can you see? Can you see what I have right here? Let me give this height like 100 pixels so you can see what I'm talking about. Can you see the height now? Now I love our tutorial. I already write something like that. That's why you see it's automatically generated. But let's say for instance now this was here before, and you close this your document and reopen it. I'm going to see it's going to be empty by default. Can you see it's empty by default? So right now quickly let me write something here and let me give it a button. Give this our form a button so we can do something with it. Input, let's turn it to input type of submit and try to submit that anwar is nice. I love anwar nice tutorial index.php. Let's do as if we are sending this to index.php file. Right here I'll specify a name here already. Let me specify so you can understand what I'm saying. I created the name. Let me just give it I, and I'll give it P. I give it P right here. So let me reload my document. I'll reload it as you can see. Now let me send this I love anwar's tutorial to my PHP file for processing. As you can see, I love anwar's tutorials is going to where is heading to my index.php file. So that's what I want to show you guys. Make sure you practice because practice makes perfect. I can show you something more again. Let's see for instance now we do basically everything is still going to hours. Can you see everything? All I wrote, can you see all of it? It is also heading to where our index.php file here. So you can practice this every time. Practice makes perfect. And what akorede is ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day. Thank you so much and to the next. Bye bye.